Once you have SenScope open in the local mode, you'll need to open up the serial port to start receiving the communications from the SenSpots through the USB sync USB receiver. To do this, you should first go to real time and double check that the COM port that the SenScope software is utilizing matches the USB sync COM port on your machine. If you're not sure, you can go to Device Manager, locate the drop-down for ports, COM and LPT, and there should be an option with Silicon Labs CP210X USB to UART drive with the COM port number indicated. Just ensure that SenScope matches this COM port. With that selected, just hit this top left button for opening the serial port. If you have any SenSpots or Cinemax gateways nearby and powered on, they should start to populate this sensor list.